Hey everyone, I'm going to review this L3 keyboard and mouse combo. I really liked it a lot and I'm going to show you some more about it. Alright, so first off, it comes with the keyboard, of course, and the mouse. I think they are really pretty. I do like this kind of pink. This is for my wife, but I mean, you gotta be honest, it's a beautiful color. I also like the keys there. As you can see, they have this circular shape like a typing machine. So I also like that a lot. And one of the best things is, if you like this option, that it's quite silent. Compared to, for example, like the normal key on the laptop that I have. And there's another keyboard I have that is precisely to make more noise, and just listen to the difference. So if you want something quiet, this is a great option. It is really quiet. Like even if you try to type hard, it's way quieter than a normal keyboard. So that's something that I really like. The other thing is that usually with this type of products, it's like, well, it's a keyboard, so if it works to write something, to type, then it's a good keyboard, period. There's not much to it. But it also comes with this, I mean, it's part of the keyboard, this sort of bar there, and it's for you to put your phone. So, I mean, look at that. It's just like, honestly, I think it's really good. It's really cool. Maybe you're writing, you want to watch something at the same time, or maybe you just want to have your phone close to you to watch some messages, whatever. You can just put it over here, and that's really, really awesome. It's something that makes it stand out from another keyboard, right? It works with batteries. Okay, so at the back is where you would put the battery there, and you will see the empty space there. The note is right over there. That's because it only has one receiver, which is on the mouse. Okay, so you will need two AA batteries, one for the keyboard, one for the mouse, and this is where you will find the receiver. I'm not pretty sure of how you call it. That's where you take it out just to plug it on your computer, as I am doing right now. And of course I'm putting the wrong side. Give me just 1 second there. Oh, come on. There we go. There, we are plugged, so you could then just close your mouse, close your keyboard, and works right away. So that's something honestly really good too. You can see that I am typing there. And again, you almost hear nothing, right? It comes with your operating manual. And last thing, but not least, is that it has this volume knob. So again, it's just a keyboard, right? Like, what can you expect of it? But it manages to have these small things that really stand out, and that's just, it's lovely. Look at that. And I'm just doing it by, I want to see if you can see, like, there you can see how I'm changing the volume with it. So it's awesome, honestly. If you want a nice looking keyboard that stands out, that has something different, this is a great option. It's quiet, it's got a great design, it's got the volume knob, and it's got a phone stand. Lovely.
First off, let's talk about the keyboard. This sleek design not only looks good, but also feels great to use. One of the standout features is how quiet the keys are. Whether you're working in an office or gaming late at night, you won't have to worry about disturbing anyone around you. The keyboard also comes with razors on the back, allowing you to adjust the angle to your preference. The ergonomic feature is perfect for reducing strain during your long working sessions. And let's not forget about the build and quality. This keyboard feels robust and well constructed, ensuring it will last through intense use. Now, onto the mouse. The mouse buttons are quiet, which complements the keyboard perfectly, making this combo ideal for any environment. Overall, this keyboard and mouse set is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a quiet, well-built, and ergonomic option. Whether you're typing, up reports, coding, gaming, this combo has got you covered.
Hi again. Here now we have the RaceGT wireless keyboard and mouse combo. When I open it, this is a package that just come in from Amazon. This is gray with white keys. Gray with white keys. Pretty easy, standard key. Nothing too crazy. Comes with a battery port. Take 2 AA batteries. Now this is rated for 2.4G wireless keyboard. Came with a white mouse with a click on it. 2.4G. And some instructions. Batteries are not included.
So it wasn't what I wanted, but it works fine. I wanted something more like dented. I don't know. And I do a lot of data entry, so. But it works fine. It works fine. And then the batteries on the back. It uses AA battery. You okay, son? And then you got the mouse. And then the mouse is the one that has the receiver. So it's a one receiver for both of them. And then AA batteries. So, I mean, it does the work.
Thumb down.
Oh, today your sister's birthday?
Yeah. She's during the quarter too.